Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to tell you what the square root of a negative value is called. So for example, if we wanted to find the square root of negative 16. All right, by definition, the square root means that I'm multiplying a number by itself to get the number that's in the square root sign. So I'm looking for a number that I can multiply by itself to get negative 16. But now I realize that, again, by definition and by mathematical laws, any number, when it's a negative, multiplied by a negative is going to be a positive. And whatever this number is, it has to be the same. So it's either going to be a negative and a negative, or it's going to be a positive and a positive. But the problem is that whichever one of those pairs is, I still end up with a positive number. So how am I ever going to get to negative 16? And the way that I get to negative 16 is by introducing the imaginary number. So the square root of negative 1 is called I, which stands for imaginary number. So what happens with the square root of negative 16 is I look at it as the square root of negative 1 times 16, and then I can break it down and say that that is 4 times I. So the square root of negative 16 is 4I. By that same thinking, the square root of negative 25 would be 5I, and negative 36 would be 6I. So the square root of negative 1 is an imaginary number represented by I, and you could just tag that along to any other number when you're dealing with negative square roots. My name is Maria, and I just showed you how to find the square root of a negative value.